Hello, my friends. It's your old Uncle Ed here to talk to you about our general cleaning and restoration contract package. The first step in the process is to go to edcross.com/contracts. Look at the list of states that are there. If you perform jobs in states that are not listed there, click on the Other States button. That takes you to the General Cleaning and Restoration Contract Package. It's not state specific, it's the baseline set of terms and conditions that I've been using in all of my contracts for decades. And the purpose of that is to give you almost everything you need to get ready to go in your state. We want to have a brief review done by a local lawyer to add the provisions that are necessary to make that contract legal for use in your state. If you go to the lawyer and say, I want this just reviewed, and you don't give any specific instructions, there may be a tendency to start wordsmithing and making small refinements that you may not think are necessary. The terms that are in there are battle tested. I've been using them in hundreds of contracts with contractors all over the country. And if you like them the way they are, then all you need is a couple of provisions to make it legal to use in your state. And those almost always relate to residential contracts. So what you would ask your local lawyer to do is just the bare minimum to make it legal for use in your state. And there's just a few issues that tend to come up. There is something regarding the right of rescission. There's probably the right in your state to cancel a contract, and you want to make sure you have the right language in there for that, the right language in there that explains your right to record a mechanics lien if that's required in your state. There might be one or two other things. It's not a big deal. It's not time consuming. We shouldn't be spending enormous amounts of money on a lawyer to find those items and drop them in. If you don't have a local lawyer who can do this for you, send an email to edcross@edcross.com. Let me know which states you're operating in, and I'd be happy to send you a referral. I hope the General Cleaning and Restoration Contract Package is a big success for you, and thank you for watching.